This is how the login page look like of the eTMF. So using your electronic signature, using your username, password, enterprise name is the name of the organization. Like here, the enterprise name will be Cliniminds. So once we put the name of the enterprise organization and you press on the login, you will be able to log in into the system. So this is how the home page look like of the eTMF software. Okay, so this home page is being divided. Okay, so this is the home page. So this home page is being divided into 4 sections. So the first section is known as the toolbar. So this where you can see the logo, the name of the enterprise, the home icon, the user icon, all these icons which are present on the bar. This bar is known as toolbar, which is the first section you will find in the home page. After toolbar comes your search icon. So if so this search button is being used for searching any document. So this becomes the second section. So if you know the document ID, you can search with it. If you know the document name or you know the document display name, using these names or IDs, you can search the specific document. So this is how the document ID look like. When you save any document, the system will generate the number. That unique number is known as document ID. So if you know the document ID, you can put the document ID and put the percentage mark and put the search, click on the search button. You'll be able to search the relevant document. If you know the name of the document, not sure about the document ID, so using the document name also and putting the percentage, then clicking on the search button, you can find the name of the document. So the search button is going to help us in searching any document. So this becomes the second section of the home page. The third section of the home page is your task grid. So this complete portion is referred to as task grid, where you can see all the tasks that the person to whom this credentials belong is going to perform the task. So all the tasks, sorry, just give me a minute. So this is your task grid where all the activities or the tasks that need to be performed by the user will be seen here. So this becomes the third section of the home page. So first becomes your toolbar, followed will be your search button, third becomes your task grid, and the last portion on your extreme left is referred to as left menu, L-E-F-T, left, M-E-N-U, menu. So this part is referred to as left menu, where you can find the repository. The task can be seen from here, or you can go and look for the task here as well. Then the different types of reports, then the application administration, security system manage enterprise. So these 4 administration access are being logged for the author and for the reviewer. So our application administration, security admin, system admin, and manage enterprise accesses only with the company who has developed this software. So if in case we face any issue in the system, we can contact the admin to resolve the issues. So these accesses are only with the admin team of the company who has developed this software. So this software that we are using in Cliniminds is being developed by the company Lenovo. Lenovo is a IT-based company which um, works on preparing the life sciences softwares. So Clinovo is the company who has developed the eTMF. So the logo of the company you will find on the toolbar, followed will be the name of the enterprise which is using the this eTMF. So Cliniminds is using, so we mentioned here Cliniminds Electronic Trial Master File. So as per the name of the organization sponsor, they are going to put their name in the enterprise name. Then comes your home icon. So home icon, if you click on the home icon, it will take you to this home page. Like if I click the home icon, I'll come to the home page, the same page that you have seen. Okay. After this, this is the profile of the user who is using this, that the person who holds the electronic signature, user ID and password, that person profile can be seen from here. So username, password, first name, last name, mobile number, email address, time zone, all can be seen from here. And as I told you that after 180 days, the password need to be changed. So the user will go to the user profile and they can change their password and save it. So from here, so from using this icon, the profile of the user can be seen. Then this comes your notification box. In the notification box, all the tasks that is being assigned to the user will be seen. Like if any document is being sent for review or any document is being sent for correction, this is how the in the what to say notification will come up in the notification box. Then here is the user guide. So every software that you will be using in future will have this feature of user guide. For going to the user guide, you can download the complete detail about the software, how the software works, how to log in, how to do the entries, every detail that you want to know about, you can find it by going to the user guide. Then this is the exit button. So if you are done with your job, you can just click on the exit button icon and just click on the yes, and you can exit out of the system.